Dear students, in previous class, circles level 3, we have discussed until 73 sums. Circles level 3. Circles objective level 3 we are handling. This is the last class to handle circles level 3. In previous class, we have discussed 73 sums. Let us going to discuss about 74th question now. If two parallel chords of a circle having diameter 4 units lie on opposite sides of center and subtend angles cos inverse 1 by 7 and secant inverse 1 by 7 at the center respectively, then distance between the chords. Draw a circle. This is a chord and this is a chord. This is a center. This is a diameter longest chord passing through the center point. Put here AB and CD are parallel chords. The chord AB subtending the angle cos inverse 1 by 7 and secant inverse 1 by 7 respectively. Of course, the two angles are same. Given, put here the name E. E is the center. Given angle AEB, angle AEB is equal to theta is equal to cos inverse 1 by 7, comma, angle CED, angle CED is equal to theta is equal to secant inverse 7. We know that cos inverse of 1 by x is equal to secant inverse x. So nothing but he given directly that cos inverse 1 by 7 or secant inverse 7, it is same. Let us draw the perpendicular line which is passing to the center point. The perpendicular line divides the chords in same ratio. That is, that one intersect the chord at midpoints. This is E, this is F and G you put here. Now this is the theta by 2. Whenever the angle is making in equi directions, this is theta by 2, this is theta by 2. Radius, he given the diameter is 2, so radius is 2. This is 2, this is 2, this is 2 like this. Let us draw the diagram like this. Put here E, this is E, this is B, this is F. BE is the BF. Here BE, angle at B, theta by 2 in BEF. This is E. BE is radius 2 and BF we don't know. That one we should calculate. This is theta by 2. This is theta by 2. At F, okay. F, at F it is right angle. Like this you write. At F it is right angle. Theta by 2 at E. So put E here. EF, we don't know. EF we should calculate. EF we don't know. But the radius FEB given. Put here B, this is 2. Now in triangle, in right triangle EBF. In triangle EBF, cos theta by 2 is equal to here adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side EF by hypotenuse EB. EB means 2 here, not FB. EB means 2. This is E. In right triangle, cos theta by 2 is equal to adjacent side EF by EB. EF cos theta by 2 here 1 second. Cos theta right here as 1 by 7 and use the formula 2 cos square theta by 2 minus 1 is equal to cos theta. Then we can say here cos theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 plus cos theta whole by 2. Root of 1 plus cos theta whole by 2. So here you can write as cos theta by 2 is equal to root of 1 by 2 taken common 1 plus cos theta, the cos theta value is 1 by 7. So here cos theta by 2 is equal to 7 plus 1, 8, 8 by 2, 4, 4 by 7 over root. That is equal to 2 by root 7. That implies, now we can write cos theta by 2 is equal to 2 by root 7. It's okay. EF by AB, cos theta by 2 by root 7 is equal to what is EF? EF means EF we don't know. EF by 2. So EF is equal to 4 by root 7. EF is equal to 4 by root 7. Length of the chord is not only EF. Similarly, to write. Similarly, in triangle GED, EG is equal to also 2 by root 7. Therefore, length of chord full, not length, he is asking distance between the chords. He is asking distance between chords, not length of chord. Distance between chord FG. Distance between chords. Distance between chords FG is equal to here 2 by root 7 plus 2 by root 7. EF is equal to, of course, this 4 by root 7. So 8 by root 7 is the length of chord, not 2 by root 7. 4 by root 7 plus 4 by root 7. Length of chord is equal to 8 by root 7. According to option here it is second option. Let us discuss about 75th question. A line drawn through the point P 4, 7 cuts the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. A line, the circle you write as x square plus y square is equal to 9. A line drawn through the point P, here put 4, 7. 4, 7 cut the circle in A and B, then PA dot PB. Here put A, here put B. Using the secant rule. Using secant rule, we know that PA dot PB is equal to S11. So what is S11? Simply substitute the value here, 16 plus 49 minus 9, 16 plus 40 equal to 56. This is the JEE mains question in online exam 2007. Very easy question, depends upon IPE concept. Now let us discuss about 74th question. Seventy-fourth question completed. 75 also completed. Let us discuss 76th one. If a circle passes through the point -1, 0 and touches y-axis at 0, 2, then the length of chord of circle along x-axis. Length of chord along x-axis means he is asking indirectly that length of x-intercept. Length of the x-intercept. If a circle passes through -1, 0 and touches y-axis at 0, then length of chord of circle along x-axis. A circle passes through -1, 0 and touches y-axis. Here put -1, 0 negative side. -1, 0 negative side, the length of chord circle along x-axis. And y-axis 0, 2. Put here. This is 0, put here -1, 0 is circle passing to -1, 0 touches y-axis 0, 2. This is positive side, this is negative side. Maybe here 0, 0. We should calculate the length of x-intercept. Put here A and B. So let us calculate the equation of circle. Circle touches y-axis. Let equation of circle. Let equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Let it be first equation. Since it is passing through Find 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0. Since 1 passing through minus 1 comma 0, you substitute the value. You will be getting here 2g plus minus 2g plus c equal to minus 1. Let it be second equation. And again you can write 1 passing through 0 comma 2. Substitute the value 0 comma 2 here. You can write as 4f plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4f plus c is equal to nothing is there 0, because this is 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4f plus c equal to 0. Let it be third equation. Since circle touches y-axis, since this circle touches y-axis, whenever circle touches y-axis, use the formula f square is equal to c. Students, here 2 is there, 2 square is minus 4, not 0, minus 4. That implies from 3 you can write. From 3 I am writing as 4f plus f square plus 4 equal to 0. You can write here as f plus 2 whole square equal to 0. Using this one, you will be getting the value of f is equal to minus 2 and c is equal to 4. Substitute here from 2, you will be getting the answer as minus 2g plus 4 is equal to minus 1. So 3 is equal to 2g. So g is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now what we should calculate? The length of x-intercept. Length of x-intercept. This is suitable form of JEE mains question. Of course, depends upon IPA concept. 2 root g square minus c. So here you can write 2 root 9 by 4 minus c. Minus c means minus 4. It is wrong. 2 root g square. Maybe. Let us discuss here. 4f minus 2g plus c equal to minus 1. Minus 2g plus here f is equal to minus 2. It's okay. F square is equal to c concept. C is equal to 4. Minus 2g plus 4 is equal to minus 1. This is a minus 4. 2g taken this it becomes 5. This is 5. So g is equal to 5 by 2. G is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 whole square is 25 by 4. 25 by 4 minus 4. This is 4 for the 16. 25 minus 16, 9. So 2 into 9 by 4 over root 9 by 4. Here 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. So length of x-intercept is equal to 2. Let us discuss about 77th question. If y plus 3x is equal to 0 is the equation of chord. Y plus 3x equal to 0 is the equation of chord of circle x square plus y square minus 30x equal to 0. Then the equation to the circle which this chord has diameter. The concept which you are going to learn in the chapter system of circle. This is s is equal to 0 and this is l is equal to 0. The circle which is passing through the point of intersection of a line and a circle is s plus lambda l is equal to 0. This is the concept. Now let us write the circle equation. Here he given as x square plus y square minus 30x. X square plus y square minus 30x is equal to 0. And the line equation y plus 3x. 3x plus y and 3x plus y equal to 0. Required equation of circle. Required equation of circle is s plus lambda l is equal to 0. You can write here as x square plus y square minus 30x plus lambda into 3x plus y equal to 0. 3x plus y equal to 0. You can write here x square plus y square minus x taken common 30 minus 3 plus lambda y is equal to 0. Center you should calculate as 30 minus 3 lambda here. 30 minus 3 lambda by 2. 30 minus 3 lambda by 2 comma minus lambda by 2. Because the chord of first circle is the diameter of second circle, then you should substitute the value center C2 lie on RA. It is called as radical axis. You will be learning in system of circle concept. So C2, this one lie on the line 3x plus y is equal to 0. Substitute here 3 into 30 minus 3 lambda by 2, because center is the diameter is the longest chord passing through the center point. Minus lambda by 2 equal to 0 here, minus 90 minus 9 lambda minus lambda equal to 0. So 10 lambda is equal to 90 and lambda is equal to 9. This 9 we substitute here, you will be getting from 1 you write. From 1 equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 30x plus 9 3s are plus 27x plus 9y is equal to 0. So next step, x square plus y square minus 3x plus 9y is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 3x plus 9y equal to 0. Here it is second option. Here one thing we can observe that this is the process I said, but a shortcut is there. What is the shortcut means? Whenever he given the condition y plus 3x equal to 0 is the equation of chord of circle, then the equation of circle which chord has a diameter. Chord has a diameter means according to option verify. You verification of option, find the center of first circle minus 3 by 2 minus 9 by 2. Substitute in the line, if you get 0 it is option. Next, find the center of second circle, substitute in the line, if you get 0 it is the option. In this case, 100% options verification is possible. Whether you will be getting two options, then you should follow the process. Of course, I said process also. Let us discuss about 78th question now. Question number 78. Question number 78. If the incenter of an equilateral triangle is 1, 1 and equation of its one side is 3x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0, then equation of circumcircle of this triangle. Equation of, if the incenter of triangle is the circle, let us discuss about the circumcircle of triangle. Equation of circumcircle of triangle. In circle is given. Put here ABC. If the incenter of equilateral triangle is 1, 1 and equation of its one side, put here 1, 1. Let this is one side, 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0. You can use the condition R is equal to D. If the incenter of equilateral triangle is 1, 1 and the equation of one side is 3x plus 4y plus 3 equal to 0, then the equation of circumcircle of this triangle. Center is same because incenter, orthocenter, circumcenter, everything is same for equilateral triangle. He is discussing with us that equilateral triangle. Given triangle is an equilateral triangle. Given triangle is an equilateral triangle. Let us discuss the formula in equitriangle. In equilateral triangle, small r by r is equal to 1 by 2. This is the properties of triangle formula. Let us discuss about the proof. Small r formula 4 capital R sin A by 2, sin B by 2, sin C by 2. Why this is? Whenever the triangle is equilateral, then A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 60. Here R and R will be getting cancelled. 4 into this is sin 30 into sin 30 into sin 32. The 4 get cancelled. This is the 1 by 2. So if you get the small r, then you will be getting 2 small r is equal to capital R. This is also the formula for pedal triangle. Two properties of triangle we discussed the same two properties. The radius of the pedal triangle is the depends upon the circumference of triangle. Whenever circumference of triangle, I mean circumradius of triangle, circumradius of this triangle is capital R, then radius of pedal triangle is also capital R by 2. The same concept now we are using here. Here capital R is equal to 2 small. So small r is equal to capital R by 2 concept we are using. Of course, this is not pedal triangle, but I am making you to remember the properties of triangle concept depends upon this one. Now we are going to discuss. This is called as multi-concept question, pure mains question. Now D is equal to R, use the formula. That is equal to 3 plus 4 plus 3 whole by 5. That is equal to 2. So small r is equal to 2 here. So what will capital R is equal to 4. Now equation of circle. Equation of circle having the center, the same center, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square is equal to 16. You can write this one as x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 14 equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 14 equal to 0. Now let us discuss the last sum of the circle's objective level 79th question. A circle passes through -2, 4 and touches y-axis at 0, 2. Which one of the following equation can represent the diameter of circle? If we calculate the center lies on the diameter, we can verify the option. A circle passes through -2, 4. Here -2, 4. Here 0, 2. Y-axis is touching the circle. 0, 2. Which one of the following equation can represent the diameter of circle? In the same process of the concept of 76th question, let the equation of circle. Let the equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2cx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Put here 1. 1 passing through. Since 1 passing through the point -2, 4, you can write here -4g plus 3f plus c is equal to -20. Secondly, again 1 passing through the point, substitute here 0, 1 passing through 0, 2. So here you can write this is 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 4f plus c. 4f plus c is equal to -4 since the circle touches y-axis. Since the circle touches y-axis, while practicing you sum in for exams, no need to write all the matters like this. Simply write f square is equal to c. That implies 4f plus f square is equal to -4. You can say here f square plus 4f plus 4 is equal to 0 and f plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. It becomes f is equal to -2. Whenever f is equal to -2, using the formula c is equal to 4, and here from 2 you can substitute the value. You will be getting the value as -4g plus 8f means -16. This is plus 4 is equal to -20. So 4g taken the side becomes 20. It becomes 20 minus 16. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 is equal to 4g. Z is equal to 2. So center I am writing. Center formula -g comma -f. -g comma -f is equal to, here you can write -2 comma 2. -2 comma 2. Verify option here. Verify option 2. Second option 2x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0. Substitute here 2 into -2 minus 3 into 2 plus 10 Here minus 4 minus 6 plus 10 is equal to 0. It is correct. Verified option 2. Students, here in your material, he given as 2x plus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, which is wrong. You correct the option 2x minus 3y there. I know the option very well. Okay, students, we have completed successfully circles 11.3. Let us discuss in next class about level 4, whether I send material WhatsApp or shall I discuss? I'll decide later. Okay, now I am going to close the class.